Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the details of our AI course. If you're interested in learning about artificial intelligence and its applications, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through all the important aspects of our AI course, so let's get started. Our AI course is designed for both beginners and those with some background knowledge in programming and mathematics. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply curious about AI, this course is suitable for anyone who wants to dive into the world of artificial intelligence. When designing an AI course, it's important to cover a range of topics to provide students with a comprehensive understanding of artificial intelligence. Here are some key topics you may consider including in an AI course. 1. Introduction to artificial intelligence. 2. Machine learning. 3. Data preprocessing and feature engineering. 4. Natural language processing, NLP. 5. Computer vision. 6. Reinforcement learning. 7. Ethical and responsible AI. 8. AI in industry. 9. AI project development. 10. Future trends and advanced topics. These are just a few examples of the many exciting topics covered in our AI course. Throughout the course, you'll have some more exciting topics. That's all for today's video on the details of our AI course. We hope this overview has piqued your interest and that you consider joining us on this exciting AI journey. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.